Feudalism, take this down. Feudalism was a combination of political, legal, economic, socio-cultural and military customs. Military customs. CUSTOMS. Military customs. Customs matlab practices that flourished. FLOURISHED. That flourished. Flourished matlab developed. Flourished in medieval Europe. That flourished in medieval Europe. So that sounds technical. What exactly was that? Now let's say there was a kingdom in Europe, a country in Europe, which was ruled by a monarch. Clear? Now he had divided his kingdom into small provinces, in which he installed subordinate rulers. Boss, you are my assistant. If you want to efficiently rule this country, you rule this particular area. But you should report to me. Are you getting it? Such subordinate rulers were also selected based on birth. And they were called as nobles. They were called as nobles. Subordinate rulers. People of noble birth, people of high birth, nobles. The word noble, vassal, feudal lord, they mean the one and the same thing. Subordinate rulers. For example, if India was that kingdom, Tamil Nadu would have been given to a noble. Are you getting it? Bihar would be given to some other noble. But all these nobles reported to the king. Now to efficiently rule the territory allocated to them, to collect taxes, to maintain law and order, the nobles also had to create an administrative setup, particularly for maintaining law and order. So the nobles created a soldierly class. The soldierly class was called as knights. Warrior class. So monarch, nobility, knights. Monarch, ruler. Are you getting it? Noble, subordinate ruler, knight, military personality. Are you getting it? So there would have been common people who were controlled by them. They were at the last strata. Common people, you and me. So who are the common people? People practicing agriculture, traders, artisans, handicraftsmen, professionals like teachers, lawyers, doctors. They would have constituted the common people. So king, the monarch, had given a part of his land to the nobles. The nobles in turn gave a part of their land to the knights. But the land was to be cultivated by the common people, because these people were not directly involved in agriculture. So who are the primary players among the common people? Peasants. Peasants is the correct pronunciation. Peasants were the majority among the common people. Why? The whole system had been constructed around one centerpiece: land. Clear? So different people controlled land at different strata in the hierarchy, different levels in the hierarchy. Now let's say I was a peasant. I got protection from the knightly class. The nobles provided good governance. The king protected the country. Super. What did I give in return as a peasant to the government? I paid taxes. I provided services. I provided labor. So the common people in return, they provided various services, labor, and paid taxes. Why? They were given protection by the government. So who gave the protection? The knights. But the knights reported to the nobles. So what were the knights providing in return to the land given to them? They were providing military services and showing their loyalty to the nobles. Clear? So what did the nobles give in return to the monarch? Loyalty, tribute, and military help to the monarch in times of emergency.